Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am here with you to help you for revising expressions and formulae chapter. So this is our part 1 video where I will be explaining or helping you to solve the expressions problem. Okay? So I have selected few questions based on which you will be getting a lot of practices in your textbook. You can do those and keep practicing, as I always say, right? Because maths is nothing, it is simply practice, playing with numbers. I always used to switch on the music and then do the sums in my notebook a lot of times, right? So enjoy maths, play with numbers. Okay, so here is expressions and formulae, and I have selected few problems. Let us solve one by one. Okay, so first question says what? Find expression for perimeter and area of the given figure, right? So the length and breadth are given to be here 2y and 3x. Okay, now what is perimeter of a rectangle? This figure is a rectangle because length and breadth are not same. So perimeter of rectangle is what? It is, let us write the symbol P for perimeter and A for area. So perimeter is what? 2 times length plus breadth, right? It is 2 times length plus breadth. Now here it is what? 2y and 3x. Your length and breadth are this. So I will be writing here 3x plus 2y. So what we can do is, we can simply write here P is, now we can expand the bracket, it is 2 times 3x, then plus 2 times 2y. Okay, so our perimeter would be what? 6x plus 2 times 2y would be 4y. So simple. Okay, so this way we can find out the perimeter. Now area is what? Again, much simpler than perimeter. Area is length times breadth. So area would be length times breadth, which is 3x times 2y, which is what? 6xy. 3 times 2, 6. X times y, xy. So area would be 6xy. Okay? Coming to next. Here, what they have given, you will be getting such problems also. So I have included this, that if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5, then find the perimeter and area of above figure, that is this one. Okay, so perimeter expression we have got 6x plus 4y, area expression we have got 6xy. What we need to do is, we need to simply plug in our x and y values and solve it. So simple. So let us write here P is equal to 6x plus 4y and plug in x equal to 2 and y equal to 5 in this equation or in this expression. So it is 6x means it is 6 times 2 plus 4 times y, y is 5. So I am writing it in parentheses so that you can identify and do not get confused with the signs. So it is 6 2's 12 plus 4 5's 20. So our answer is what? 12 plus 20, which is 32. Easy. Then coming to area. So area is what? Area is 6xy. So it is 6 times x is 2, y is 5. So 6 times 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 times 6, it would give me 60. So this would be our area. So this is area. So we will write here square units. And here 32 perimeter. So we will simply write 32 units. Okay, because we do not know, it is not given it is 2 centimeter or 5 centimeter. So we will simply put units. Okay, let us solve another expression problem. Here I have selected this 3x cube y square z square over x square y cube z. So what we do is this x cube and x square, one in numerator and the other is in denominator, means they are divided, and divided means the powers would be subtracted. Remember, we have done in indices. So powers would be subtracted here. So x cube minus 2. X raised to the 3 minus 2 I can write. Okay. Now here in numerator y square and in denominator is y cube. So in denominator your power is greater than in numerator. So here also we will subtract the powers, but where I will write my y here in denominator, this y raised to the power 3 minus 2 I will do. Right. Then z square here and here z raised to the power 1. So here power is less, I will take it up. Got it? So this way our answer would be what now? Oh, I'm sorry, this is 3x raised to the power 3 minus 2. Okay? I wrote 3 raised to the power x. Got it. So it is 3x raised to the power 1, z to the power 1 and y also to the power 1. So you can simply write it is 3xz over y as your answer. Clear? Let's take the other one. P times p raised to the power 4. Now this is very simple. P means it is p raised to 1. Same base, the powers would get added up. So it is p raised to 5. Very simple. Let's see the next one. 3x cube multiplied by 4x square. So what we do is we simply multiply the numbers and the powers. So it is x cube into x square. So 3 4s are 12 and x raised to the power 3 plus 2, which would give you what? 12x raised to the power 5. Very simple. Coming to this expression, so here a raised to the power 2 bc cube over a raised to the power 5 b square times a b cube times c square over bc raised to the power 4. So what we have to do is, see, in numerator we have a raised to the power 2 here and a raised to the power 1 here. So I can write 2 plus 1, correct? Okay. Then coming to b, here it is b raised to the power 1 and this b raised to the power 3. So 1 plus 3. Then coming to c, so this is c raised to the power 3 and c raised to the power 2. So it is 3 plus 2. So this is done for our numerator. Coming to denominator, so it is a raised to the power 5 times, okay, let's not write times, it is understood. So b raised to the power 2 plus 1 and c raised to the power 4. So all sorted out, numerator, denominator. So it is a raised to the power 3, b raised to the power 4, c raised to the power 5 and divided by a raised to the power 4, b raised to the power 3 and c raised to the power 4. Now my numerator and denominator powers I will see, and accordingly I will do the subtraction thing, correct? So in a we know that power is greater in denominator, so that a thing I will shift down, and b and c we can take up only. So 4 and minus 3, c raised to 5 minus 4, and here for a raised to 5 minus 3. So it would be b, 4 minus 3 is 1, so we do not write power 1, and c raised to 5 minus 4 is also 1, so it is b c over a raised to 5 minus 3, so it is this. bc over a square would be our answer for this particular expression. Clear? Coming to next, which is k square times k raised to the power minus 3 divided by k raised to the power 4 divided by k raised to the power minus 1. So first solving this bracket, so it is k raised to 2 plus minus 3, so it would become minus 3, and here divided by k raised to the power 4, now divided by, so it is minus 1. Clear? So it would be what? k raised to the power 2 minus 3 and divided by k raised to the power 4 minus minus plus 1. Okay, clear? So this is k raised to the power minus 1 divided by k raised to the power 5. Now again division, so it would be subtracted, powers would be subtracted, minus 1 minus 5, so k raised to the power minus 6. We usually do not leave our answers with negative index. So here I will write what? 1 over k raised to the power 6. This would be our final answer. Okay, let us put all our answers in boxes. You can also leave your answer in this form, but sometimes they write in questions. So read the questions properly, that your answer should be in positive index or negative index. Okay, let us put all the answers in boxes. Yes. Now coming to next problem. 3t square plus t square divided by t. So 3t square plus t square means 3 mangoes plus 1 mango. So total 4 mangoes. So 3t square plus t square, which is 4t square divided by t, means t raised to the power 1. Okay, so it is 4 and t to the power 2 minus 1. This is 1, right? So t square divided by t raised to the power 1 would be 4t raised to the power 1, so it is 4t. We do not write power 1. Now here the last problem. H raised to 8 by h raised to 2 the whole square multiplied by h cube. So first what we will do, yes, it's division, so subtract, and raised to the power 2 times h raised to the power 3, which is what? 8 minus 2 is 6 raised to the power 2 times h raised to the power 3. Now power raised to power, remember indices, they will be multiplied. So it is h raised to 6 to 12 times h raised to 3, which is h raised to, now powers are here, they are multiplied bases, same bases with different powers, so powers will get added up, 12 plus 3, so our answer would be h raised to 15. Right? I hope all these concepts are clear and you will be able to do questions based on these concepts. I will be coming up with more problems based on this chapter, expressions and formula. Keep watching, keep practicing.